If you're going to edit a video in Premiere Pro, you need to create a project, so let's do it right. On the welcome screen, you can open a recent project, open a project somewhere on your computer, or create a new project. You don't have a project yet, so let's make one. There are 3 things you need to do here. 2 are required, 1 is optional. First, give your project a name. Don't just leave it untitled. What's your project about? Is it a short story, a wedding video, a goofy tutorial series? Put it as the name of your project. Next, where is the project going to get saved? Don't just leave it as the default location, or it will save it to the last place you saved. Or worse, if this is your first project, it will absolutely bury your project in your computer. Like, good luck finding it. Where should you place it? In your project folder. See previous video. So that all the assets for the project, your raw footage, your voiceovers, your sound effects, your project file, your final video, are all in one nice, neat little package. Aww, they're sleeping. Now that your new project has a name and a location, the third optional step is to import your footage. I say it's optional because you can always import stuff later. There's even a button to skip the import. Import the footage by dragging it into the project navigation panel. Now you're on your way to start your awesome project. Catch you on the next one.